Hello student, today we will do question number 12 and 13 from exercise 5.3 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So AP will be 6, 12, 18, because terms are divisible by 6, 24, like this. So here A is 6, D is 6, and N is 40 given. So S40 will be then, using formula 40 by 2, 2A means 2 into 6 plus N minus 1 means 39 into D is 6. We have used this formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula using. So this will be cut to 20. 20 into 12, 6. This will be then 20 multiply 2, 6, 3. This is, if we'll add this, so this, now we'll multiply this, 2, 6, 12. So this will be answer then. Now see question number 13. 13 is find the sum of the first 15 multiple of 8. This will be also done in the same way. So AP will be, because this is multiple of 8, so 8, 16, 24, 32, like this. This is in AP. A is equal to here 8, D is equal to 8, and N is given 15. Now we have to find sum. So S15 then 15 by 2, 2A, 2 into 8 plus N means N minus 1 means 14 into D 8. 15 by 2 into, this will be 16, this, if you will add this 15 by 2, this will add 64. Now multiply this, 960. So this is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.